up? This is Jay Watts with Uber Jeep AZ, and today I'm going to tell you how to clean your Jeep to where it amazes people every time they get in. Now, my Jeep has gone about 92,000 miles in the last 16 months. Not only that, but I've done about 5,000 ride shares at an average of about 2 or 3 people. So anywhere from 10,000 to 15,000 people have been in my Jeep. And every time somebody gets in, the first thing they do is go, "Man, it smells good in here. Man, these seats are amazing. Are these like the stock seats?" I'm like, "Yep, everything in here came with the Jeep. Everything." So the first thing I use is Tough Stuff. I spray my seats, my carpets, everything down with Tough Stuff. Let it soak in for about 2 or 3 minutes, wipe it down. Now don't wipe it down with just regular water. Use water, some ammonia, and mix in some fabric softener, because the fabric softener is what actually keeps your seats soft, keeps your carpet soft, makes it look really nice. Now I have mine over here. I mix my little contraption up in this bottle here. It's like a Zep bottle. But this right here is a mixture of water, some Suavitel of the scent that I like, and some ammonia. And that's all this is. And I use this to clean carpets, seats, whatever. The ammonia actually kills all the bacteria. So if you have towels or any clothes, any laundry you got that has like a smell to it, just throw some ammonia, like pour about a cup of this in with your laundry, especially your bath towels, and it'll knock out all that bacteria that causes odors. These are my seats. This is 206,000 miles on my odometer, and these seats look relatively new, my carpets and everything. And these carpets are like jet black. They're not new carpets, because you can see it's kind of ripping and everything, but these carpets are really nice. Like when people get in, they go, "Are these new mats?" I'm like, no, these mats have been here for about a year. I mean, they're already ripping and everything, but they look new and they smell new, because I take these carpets out, I pour all of the stuff all over them, let it soak into my carpets, then I hose it off with the water hose, so it keeps the whole inside of my Jeep smelling like fabric softener, and that ammonia kills all the bacteria. Front seats, that's my driver's seat right there. You can kind of see where I sit. You know, it's kind of puffy right here, but hey, when you put 92,000 miles of driving into a seat, I mean, this thing is still pretty solid. Looks pretty new. It's not worn out or anything like that. My passenger seat's pretty new. Not a lot of people sit in here. The lady last night sat in the front seat and she was like, "Are these the stock seats?" I'm like, "Yes." She says, "These things are really comfortable." I'm like, "Hey, that's what Jeep do." It's pretty much how I clean my Jeep. Leave some comments or suggestions on how you clean your Jeep and how you clean your seats and your interior to keep it looking fresh, because a lot of people out there are like, "Man, how do you keep these Jeeps clean?" A little ammonia goes a long way. Ammonia kills bacteria. That's all you got to remember. You can use lemon scent, regular scent, don't make a difference. Just kill that bacteria and keep that Jeep smelling fresh. It's Jay Watts for Uber Jeep AZ, the lifted Jeep, baby. I'm out.